So let's open up dev C++ and new source file. What I want to do today is to show matrix addition, and we want to consider 3 by 3 dimension matrix. So basically this will be an element wise addition and the result will be displayed in a third matrix. So let's start with our programming. Hash include stdio.h int main, and then I have the two matrices. Let me call them as A. This is of dimension 3 3. This is a two-dimensional array. I have matrix B 3 and 3, and let us say the resultant matrix is represented by C. So this is 3 3, and then we will be having two loop counters because this is a two-dimensional array, so integer I and j. And now what I want to do is I want to read in the values. So input the values of matrix A. How do I do it? For I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 2, I plus plus. Then I have the inner loop for j equal to 0, j less than or equal to 2, j plus plus, scanf percentage d, comma, ampersand a, I, j. So these lines of code will simply read in the values of matrix A. Now let me just copy this and do the same for the second matrix, which is our matrix B. So input the elements of matrix B, and here I have ampersand B. Now what we want to do is to do basically element wise addition. So it should make sense that this C underscore ij, so the ith row and jth element of matrix C, ith row and jth element of matrix C, which we have represented as Cij, this is equal to ith row and jth element of matrix A plus ith row and jth element of matrix B. And the way to code this is, I want to do the summation, element wise summation of matrix A and B. And what I have here is for I and for j, and then we have to simply plug in the code here, which is that Cij is equal to A I j plus B I j. So these lines of code, this will provide the element wise addition of matrix A and B. And now all that is left to do is to display the result. Result means display matrix C. And so once again we have for I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 2, I plus plus, for j equal to 0, j less than or equal to 2, j plus plus. We have to do printf percentage d. Let me put some spaces, and then I can write Cij, and then I want to display it like a matrix only. So printf, we put in a new line character, and this is it. return 0, and the program terminates here.